Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're looking to transition from data science to machine learning, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through essential projects that'll build a solid foundation in these fields. First up, data cleaning and pre-processing. It's all about wrangling messy data sets. You'll handle missing values, detect outliers, and normalize data. Trust me, quality data is key to effective ML models. Next, exploratory data analysis, or EDA. Dive into your data to visualize distributions, spot patterns, and find relationships. EDA helps you ask the right questions and draw insights. Tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn will be your best friends here. Then we have predictive modeling with regression. Think predicting house prices or stock trends. You'll use regression models and learn about metrics like mean squared error and R-squared. It's foundational and widely used across industries. Classification projects are up next. From spam detection to sentiment analysis, you'll explore algorithms like logistic regression and SVMs. These projects help you handle imbalanced data sets and evaluate models using accuracy, precision, and recall. Clustering for customer segmentation is another big one. Group similar data points to understand customer behavior better. Using K-means and hierarchical clustering, you'll uncover hidden patterns and enhance marketing strategies. Don't forget building recommendation systems. Whether it's for movies or products, recommendation systems are everywhere. You'll dive into collaborative filtering and content-based filtering to enhance user experience. Finally, time series analysis for forecasting. Predict future values based on past data, like weather or sales trends. Techniques like ARIMA and LSTM networks are your go-to here. Working on these projects not only sharpens your skills, but also boosts your career prospects. Data science and machine learning professionals are in high demand, and with expertise in these areas, you can command a lucrative salary. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these projects today and pave your way to a successful and fulfilling career in the tech industry. All right, folks, that's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you next time.